Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make one of my crochet patterns, the Everyday Cozy Cowl. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make a slip knot, and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. So to begin, you're going to make a slip knot on your hook. I have already made one right here. Then you're going to start making chains. You're going to make 178 chains. Once you have all of your chains made, you're going to start your first row. You're going to start by making one double crochet into the third chain from your hook. So 1, 2, and 3. You're then going to make one double crochet into each chain across for your first row. To start your second row, you're going to make 2 chains on your hook and turn your work. For this second row, you're going to make one double crochet into each stitch across. This is how that second row is looking. You would now repeat this second row until you have a total of 12 rows, including the first one that we made. If you want a bulkier cowl, you can go past 12 rows. If you want a thinner cowl, you can stay under 12 rows. Here's how my cowl is looking with all 12 rows done. When you get to the end of your 12 rows, leave a very long tail. You will be using this to sew your ends together. Now there are 2 ways that you can sew your ends together. You can lay them flat like I have here and then just sew along this edge. Or you can twist one of the sides so the wrong side is facing the right side of your work. And this brings a twist into your cowl, which makes it more of like an infinity cowl. So you can pick whichever way you want. And then at this point, like I said, you would take the long tail that you left and just weave it through the ends to complete your cowl. And that is going to be how to make the Everyday Cozy Cowl. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.